Hey guys, today we're making a simple but oh so delicious apple pie bread. So grab yourself a cup of coffee and let's get started. You want to start by peeling your apple. Cut it in half, then into quarters, and remove the seeds and the core. Slice and chop fine. Now you want to take a wet paper towel to cover your chopped apples to prevent browning. Now let's work on our apple pie filling. Apple pie filling is a canned fruit that has already been prepared with the perfect amount of spices. The apples are tender, so I'm going to cut them up into small pieces using the side of my fork. We need our apples to be pureed, so again I'm going to use my fork to mash them up. Wow, that was a workout, but we got it all done. Let's finish getting the wet ingredients together. I have 4 eggs that I have cracked, and I'm going to slightly beat them. Add them to the mashed apple pie filling and mix well and set aside. In a mixing bowl, add all your dry ingredients. I have 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 cup of self-rising flour. Make sure it's self-rising. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Then we're going to whisk to blend together. Add the pie filling mixture to the dry ingredients and slowly whisk to combine. Now take your chopped apple and fold into the batter. Divide the batter between the 2 loaf pans. Give them a little shake, then place them into your 325 degrees oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Use a wooden pick or cake tester to check for doneness. They are done. They are beautiful and they smell absolutely marvelous. Cover in plastic wrap to seal in moisture and let them cool for about 30 minutes. Guys, these Fat Daddy-O pans are awesome. Take a look at that bread. Beautiful. Okay, let's cut us a piece. Check it out. You can see pieces of the apple mixed all through the bread. But I want a middle piece. Y'all, this bread smells so good and the texture is beautiful. Now let's taste. This is a good one. Perfect for that next cup of coffee. We're going to elevate it just a little bit more. I have some butter here, and I'm going to spread some butter over my bread and put a few shakes of cinnamon sugar. So good. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, and I'm Simply Mercy B, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.